Finally, big breaking news is out, guys. I am going to tell you about the 5 off-campus mega hiring, which is right now. Capgemini mass hiring is announced, and Standard Chartered is also announced the big mass hiring. Superset mass hiring is also announced. So if you didn't watch yet about the Deloitte mass hiring, go and check out this video. Direct test opportunity, and many more is there. EY mass hiring, and there is 5 off-campus hiring basically. So you have to just go to watch video till end to understand each and everything, then apply it. Do subscribe my channel, like this video, share my video. Now moving forward, Capgemini announced the big mass hiring. If you are a fresher, then you can easily apply, but keep in mind this is only for fresher. Kolkata location is there, and non-voice process role with excellent communication. English is compulsory, and any graduate having all mark sheet or certification means is candidate should be passed their graduation before 2025. ठीक है, 24-23 can apply. Openness to all work in all shift, and night shift flexible is mandatory, and immediate joining is mandatory. So what you have to do is send your updated resume on this HR referral email ID, and your subject line must be this. Now कीप इन माइंड कि यहाँ पे और क्या चीज़ें ऐड करने पर यहाँ पे कंफर्मेशन हो जाएगा कि शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग हो जाएगी. कीप इन माइंड कम्युनिकेशन, इंटरपर्सनल स्किल, and fluency in English you can put in resume. Communication is mostly there because you have to communicate with the client to solve their queries via email, phone calls, and many more is there. तो ये चीज़ें हैं कि भाई कम्युनिकेशन आना चाहिए, ठीक है, और ईमेल लिखने भी आना चाहिए क्योंकि ईमेल भी सेंड करना पड़ेगा. तो ईमेल कैसे लिखना है वो भी तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए, और ये बहुत इजी चीज़ें होती है, कोई भी कर लेगा. यू कैन यूज़ द चैट जीपीटी, जेमिनी फॉर दिस. So these are the very normal thing, guys. Just apply it because applying is very compulsory with updated resume. Go and update your resume, but please be eligible, be मतलब कि इसके लिए तैयार रहना. Be ready to do the night shift. Be ready to immediate joining. Now moving forward, Standard Chartered announced the apprenticeship technology GPS role is there, and Bangalore location is there. Now scroll down, 1 year of apprenticeship program, paid apprenticeship program training they are giving. What in Java there है J2EE, PostgreSQL database, and SOAP web services standard, and SDLC waterfall agile methodology is compulsory. And during apprenticeship, you will they will teach you these, means they will give you training in technical, professional skill plus enterprise skill plus real life business requirement. Now we welcome student from engineering degrees, means all engineering degrees is eligible. Final year student or 25 pass out means 26-25 batch is eligible, but able to start August 2026. Final year 2025-2026 batch is eligible, and August 2026 means this month you will see the apprenticeship training will start with a permanent legal right to work in, और ये full time भी हो जाएगी. If your performance is good, then they will give you the full time opportunity. But keep in mind this is the Bangalore location, and hybrid working is there, and many more is there. You have to read this part and put all these domain which is preferred, which means guys that this is not preferred. I think this is mandatory, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये लोग इसमें ट्रेनिंग देंगे वैसे भी, तो इसलिए प्रीफर्ड लिखा है. आता है तो ठीक है, वरना कोई दिक्कत नहीं, क्योंकि ये इस पूरी चीज़ों में तो हमको यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग देंगे. दैट्स वाई इट्स रिटन देयर. बट इफ़ यू आर पुटिंग टू प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड टू जावा, देन दे विल गिव यू द शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग मेल टू यू. Now moving forward, post graduation restoration, 7 days is left and 26 batches eligible. This is a quick reminder, so I will not talk about this. So I will not tell you about this because this is the quick reminder. Go and hit the apply button. Now big mass opportunity is announced. Project management internship ROPIC is announced a 6 month plus full-time opportunity. Work from office, BE BTech or BE BTech plus MB only. ठीक है. Bangalore location is there, and you have to click on this link. You will redirect to this page. What is written? 25,000 per month they are giving you with full-time conversion based on performance. अब यहाँ पे देखना कि this program is designed to give you exposure, mentorship and long-term career growth. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे देखो कि MBA प्लस BTech, यस सिर्फ BTech किया तो सिर्फ BTech पे क्लिक करना, इस पे मत क्लिक करना. ग्रेजुएशन ईयर इज़ ऑलरेडी रिटर्न 25-26 बैचेस एलिजिबल. करेंटली यस पे क्लिक कर देना, ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. PPO, आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन PPO, क्लिक ऑन यस. हैव यू गॉन थ्रू द प्रोग्राम और स्टाइपेंड, नो पे क्लिक करना है. डू यू हैव एनी एक्सपीरियंस, क्लिक ऑन नो. and give you updated resume. So what to put in resume? All domain related to program management. उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं करना है। और बाकी यहाँ पर अगर बात की जाए तो क्या होगा, यहाँ पे देखो ये चीज़ें आती है प्रोग्राम मैनेजमेंट के अंदर, ठीक है। कोलैबोरेशन जिसमें सबसे टॉप पे ही होता है सबसे पहले कम्युनिकेशन, इंटरपर्सनल स्किल, एंड दे आर ऑलरेडी गिविंग यू इंटर्नशिप। तो डोंट वरी, फर्स्ट दे विल गिव यू ट्रेनिंग। फिर जो ट्रेनिंग तुम्हारी होगी उसमें तुमको इंटर्नशिप में देखेंगे व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वर्क यू आर डूइंग, देन बेस्ड ऑन परफॉर्मेंस दे विल गिव यू द फुल टाइम। सो ड्यूरिंग 6 मंथ दे आर गिविंग 25 इन एन इंटर्नशिप, and in full time they will give you 40-50K per month, means 6-7 LPA. Now moving forward, a big opportunity which is American Chase announced the associate software engineering. This is the HR of American Chase, and you have to send your updated resume on this referral HR email ID. Night shift is there, Indore location is there, cab facility for female is only there, and fresher is eligible. Both male female can apply, but cab facility से female को देंगे night shift में. So BTech MCA 25-26 batch is eligible, fresher is eligible, and most probably if you click on this link, there is the page, but you have to send your updated resume on this referral email ID, and you can fill this form, but the form is no longer accepting application. So send your updated resume on this referral HR email ID as soon as possible. But one more thing want to keep in mind कि सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्रियोरिटी जो होगी वो कम्युनिकेशन को दी जाएगी, ठीक है। एसोसिएट सिस्टम इंजीनियर इज रिटर्न, यू हैव टू पुट ऑल टेक्निकल डोमेन प्लस इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स प्लस कम्युनिकेशन प्लस मैनी मोर इज देयर। तो नाइट शिफ्ट कैब फैसिलिटी ओनली फॉर फीमेल एंड 25-26 बैच एंड बीटेक और एमसीए, ठीक है। ओनली फ्रेशर कैन अप्लाई। और अगर देखना चाहते हो तो यहाँ पे देख लो कि ऑल ब्रांचेज इज एलिजिबल इन एमसीए बट बीटेक ओनली इन सीएसआईटी। और यूएस शिफ्ट में 6:30 to 3 AM का है। इंदौर लोकेशन इज द कम्युनिकेशन skill is compulsory, and you can easily apply for this opportunity. So update your resume, do hit the apply button, do subscribe my channel, like this video, share my video. Thanks for watching.